Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert multiple image PNG to JPG in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software and open your multiple image. We can see here the multiple image. Now we want to convert this multiple image PNG to JPG. Go to the file menu. Select this export as option. Now I am select this JPG option. Then we can see here the preview of this JPG image. You can increase the quality or decrease this, otherwise you can change the width and height or change the name. Now I am click this save option, and we can see here the file location. Now I am click this show in folder. Then we can see here the file. Now I am click right button and go to the properties and check the file type. We can see the file type is JPG. Now we can see we convert the multiple image PNG to JPG in Photopea very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.